So now we have completed the first module. Let's look at our first question, which is related to the topics which we have covered in this module. So we need to make a template in AutoCAD with name my template, and that template should have architectural unit display format. Also, that format should be at a precision of 1/4 of an inch. Also ensure that inches is selected as the unit, and the limit of this template should be set at 50 units in vertical direction. So these are different points that you need to keep in mind. Now let's get back to AutoCAD. So when you launch AutoCAD, you'll reach this 0 screen, and here in this 0 screen, you need to launch it with the default template. So I'll click on start drawing, and here we have it, the default template. Now let's check the unit. So I'll type dash DWG units and press enter. Now here you can see that on command line we have 1 within angle brackets, and also 1 is for inches. So we have this unit perfectly set, but in case the unit is different here, if it is set to 2, 3, 4 or any other value, then change it to 1 and press enter, and keep rest of the settings at their default. Now I'll simply press escape here, and now type UN for units and press enter. So here we need to make some changes. The first change will be the type of display format, which is set to decimal. We need to change it to architectural, and also the precision should be 1/4 of an inch, which is here. The insertion scale should also be set to inches, and we'll leave rest of the options. I'll click on OK. Now we need to make the third setting, and in case of third setting, we were required to set the limits in vertical direction to 50 units. So I'll type limits and press enter. Now I'll select lower left corner as 0,0 as specified. So I'll simply press enter, and the upper right corner should be whatever value. I'll type 100. In the horizontal direction, that hardly matters, but in vertical direction I'll keep it at 50. And in both the cases I'll add this inch symbol, so 100 inches by 50 inches, and press enter. So we still have the old unit. The new units are not yet applied. To apply them, simply type Z for zoom and A for all. Now the limits are applied. So we have made all of these changes. Now we need to save it as a template. So I'll go to this application button, select save as drawing template. Now specify the location. I'll go to desktop, give it a name. So let's name it as my template. And you can see here DWT extension, click on save, and with the default description, okay. Let's minimize it. And here we have it. We have this my template on the desktop.